going on? It's your favorite YDP, Udi Mohar here, back with another video. I hope you're all staying fit during quarantine. Gotta stay healthy, really make sure you're doing that. And doing that, I know a lot of you might not have all the crazy ninja stuff that I've built over the years. So instead, what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you some things that I did as I was a kid. So these are things you can all find out in nature. You can run through the forest, do any kind of parkour you can. But if you have two trees close to you, good luck climbing them, even if it's just one tree. Just do your best. Don't go too high up, unless you have a safety mat or someone spotting you. You know, this is a good way to stay fit. Another thing you can do is pull-ups. They're really healthy for you, as well as push-ups. But pull-ups target different muscles. It's pull muscles rather than your push muscles. So make sure you have an even balance of both. But again, another great thing you can do, find any tree that'll work, make sure the branch is sturdy, and then you can do pull-ups. There you go. And one more thing you can do is, if any of you have any stairs, most of you should have some kind of stairs at your house, and you have the ability to go underneath. One thing I always loved doing as a kid is treating these as the American Ninja Warrior obstacle, the Devil Steps. So you can kind of climb this as if it's a ladder for your arms. You can do all sorts of things, go back down, cross over, skip, even go up 2 or down 3. That's all for me. Another fan favorite obstacle of mine. If you've ever seen American Ninja Warrior, you should know the signature double steps, quintuple steps even. It's been featured on a lot of American Ninja Warrior obstacles. It was always the first obstacle. It's been recently replaced by the pinball steps, and even more recently the shrinking steps. But that being said, if you have a ditch near you, this is always a ton of fun, even jumping creeks, of course with your parents' permission again. But here's me doing the quintuple steps out in nature. So you definitely want to make sure you have a spring in your step when you're doing that obstacle. And for this last thing, little bit of footage, you just need a couple of chairs and you can put one arm in front of the other, skip, or just anything you want. Just be careful, it's a really difficult obstacle. And then one more thing, just thrown in at the end. Here's me on the actual American Ninja Warrior course. Hope to see you all out there and be the next American Ninja Warrior.